Hey guys, welcome back to JeepSolid. So Topdon sent us over their JS3000 jump starter, and I'm gonna just kind of unbox it and test it out and see what it's all about. It has 3,000 amps and it's for 12 volt cars. It already comes with like a really nice carrying case. So up here we have, of course, the user manual and then the jumper cables. So with the jumper cables, they already seem like super nice quality. Like you could get a few years out of them and doesn't look like there's much wrong with them or anything. They seem super nice. And then it comes with the charger cord and charging box. So I already charged this up so we could just test it out and test it out on full battery and everything. And then here's the battery. All right, so on the jump starter, when you turn it around, we have like this nice little kickstand that you can use to prop it up if needed, and there's also this little hook that you can use to hook it up on things or hang it from different places. So of course under these, this one has the engine, it says engine start, but this is where you plug in the batteries to jump start it. But over here we have little outlets. So this one's for like a USB, and this one it says for like navigators and just stuff like that. There's also some more right down here, which is really nice. It says it can charge it, I think like up to 80% in 30 minutes, which is super nice. It has a good little quick charge on there. It also has a built-in LED light. So when you press and hold on the power, it has a really bright light comes out. With the light, it can do quick flashes, and it also does the SOS, which this could be super nice for like camping and stuff. You can use this to charge your phones or like hang it up in your tent or just something like that. It's very useful with that. I just want to point out to you guys the size of this, because this is a jump starter that we've used a few times. My dad did a product review back a while ago, but this one's just significantly larger than this one. So this jump starter can jump start all sorts of vehicles like sports cars, pickups, speedboats, jet skis, motorcycles, off-roading vehicles, just a nice handful of them. It also has 7 safety protection measures, such as short circuit protection, reverse polarity protection, over temperature protection, over voltage protection, over current protection, reverse charge protection, and over discharge protection. All right, so I plugged a charger cord into the USB, and I'm just gonna see if it charges a phone. Let's power it on. And there we go. So my dad's green Jeep battery's dead right now and it won't start, so we're gonna try jump starting it. So we're gonna go ahead and plug the jump starter cables into the jump starter. There we go. And I'm gonna use the little kickstand to prop it up right there. And then let's clip these onto the battery. Should get a good connection there. So as you can see here, it has a green little light there, which means that there's a good connection and it's ready to jumpstart. I'm gonna unclamp this super quickly. So let's say that your battery is like completely dead and it's not lighting up green because it's not detecting anything. So that's what this boost button is for. So when you press and hold on the boost button, so it lit up green and that kind of overrides it. So if it's not sensing there's a battery there or anything, it will jumpstart it anyways, no matter what. All right, so we're gonna make sure it's powered on, and I'm gonna go jump start it. And as you could see, this gave it a great jump start. All right guys, so overall I think this is a great product. My family will definitely be using it a lot, taking it out on camping trips, keeping it in the back of the car just in case our car breaks down and we need to jump start it for some reason. I've used these jump starters multiple times on my car and they're always so great and so handy to just have on hand. I've jump started coworkers' car with it, just all sorts of stuff. I really like all the different options it has for charging your phone and just different devices and everything. Yeah, I think we'll definitely put it to some good use, and I want to thank Topdon for sending it over to us, and I'm glad I got to do a little product review on it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and click the link below if you want to purchase this. I think it is definitely a good purchase to have, and yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day.